Greetings to all viewers of Amgen channel. I am Dr. Rajiv Kamath from Mumbai. On this Women's Day, very happy to present a person who has inspired us the most in our life. Thank you, Sri Suresh Malya, for providing this platform. The person who inspired us the most and taught us the most on life is here. Please listen to a short clip of her playing sitar first, then we will know more about her. It's none other than our daughter Pratibha. Pratibha is born different. She has been diagnosed with autism and traces of intellectual disability. Her physical and mental development has been slow and affected. She has not been to any normal school and has been going to only special schools and pre-vocational training centers for special individuals. Pratibha is now 33 years old, and for past 6 years she is working with Arpan Food Services and Cafe Arpan in Mumbai, which are initiatives by an NGO that provides skill development and employment for persons with developmental and intellectual disabilities. When Pratibha was 10, we left Chennai. She was almost non-verbal then, a complete introvert and did not even look at others. She was very low on confidence. We were looking for a vibrant ambience for Pratibha's growth. We felt Mumbai could give her what she needed for her growth. In about 10 years' time, she earned a nickname Chatterbox. Transformation from a non-verbal to a chatterbox. Confident, freely speaking to anyone, including strangers. In addition to the attitude of people around, many things such as learning Bharatanatyam and doing her Arangetam, getting into cooking, learning sitar and giving stage performances, etc., immensely helped her to reach this. The stem cells transplant that we have done for her brain has created more neurons in her brain, and we trained the new neurons with intense training programs using music and other approaches based on science of learning. All this helped Pratibha in cognitive growth as well as toning her behavior. Pratibha started giving many stage performances in sitar. She got opportunity to perform at the World Konkani Sammelan in 2016 at Atlanta, USA. In 2019, she gave a 1.5 hour long performance at the IIT Madras Music Club, Chennai. She participated in Concert for Harmony at Simla as well as in Mumbai, where giants such as Pandit Vishwamohan Bhatt and Pandit Rajendra Prasanna performed. She also participated in quite a few cooking competitions, and in 2 of them won top prizes. Both these were judged by the super chef Sanjeev Kapoor. She, along with her friends at Arpan, got trained at Sanjeev Kapoor's kitchen studio for some time. All these immensely helped her gaining confidence and grow as a person. We parents and family members were putting all possible efforts to give her the best possible life that we can and also help her develop as a person. As her brain works differently and so her mind, we didn't know how to make her understand etiquettes, social norms and values in life that we learned. So we chose to leave her own on that front. Let her observe the people, let her observe the society and make her own learnings and behave based on that. It was not easy for us. Last few years, the way Pratibha has been growing and behaving has been very satisfying. Many people from her workplace Arpan and the vocational center she has been going previously influenced in shaping her up as a person. If we, me and my wife Asha, look at past few years, the maximum we learned about life is from our daughter Pratibha. What surprises us is the way Pratibha thinks and conducts herself in life. Here are few examples. She says no where she has to, no difficulty at all. I am trying to learn that trick from her, but miserably fails most of the time. She doesn't bother what others speak about her. She does what makes her happy. We tend to become conscious, also do things to satisfy others around and society. Her prayers are sincere. When someone prays telling something and does different, she questions. She has many differences of opinion with many at home as well as outside. That doesn't affect her love towards them. Are most of us that way? She never judges people. Many times we tend to judge people a bit too early. Her love towards anybody is unconditional. Can we say so with our love towards others? She is so dedicated towards her work. For her, work first and all others next. Many can emulate this from her. Work doesn't make her tired. Sitting idle makes her tired. I would like to narrate two recent incidences, both related to death of my parents. Pratibha was very much attached to her grandparents. 2.5 years back, my mother passed away. We were a bit worried on how Pratibha will react when she finds out. Because she loves her grandmother so much. She was at work when my mother passed away. When she came back and we broke the news to her, her reaction after pausing for a while was, "Grandmother has gone to God. Now God will take care of her." With this, she got on to her normal life. 3 weeks back, my father passed away. When we broke this news to her, she again stared at my wife for a few seconds and responded, "Now Abu can enjoy with Olamma." Abu means grandfather and Olamma is grandmother. That means grandfather can enjoy now with grandmother. And she got on with her work and routines as normal. Pratibha was showing so much love and affection to her grandparents till the morning of the day of their death. The moment she came to know that they went to God, she got on to her normal life. Yes, she kept saying she missed them, but she was never worried. Even though we know all this, are we able to think this way? We believe Pratibha demonstrates through her life how one should live as said in our scriptures. She shows us how to practice detachment while loving and caring. Similarly, we see practice of Karma Yoga in her life. She keeps doing work, and it is we who expects result of her work. She never bothers about any formal recognition, but she likes hearing praises, and she looks at only positive side of things. We have been learning such lessons of life from Pratibha for many years. The lessons are not told or a forwarded message, but practiced and demonstrated every day. Pratibha influenced us in changing our outlook towards life. She is our inspiration. Yes, we the whole family work to transform Pratibha to what she is today, and she is teaching us what life is all about to us. Thank you, Sri Suresh Malya and Aungel channel for the platform. I request viewers to subscribe Aungel channel so that you will be notified on publishing of more videos in future. Dhanyawad. Namaskar.